Hi everyone, Spud. So, in today's video I'm doing the next bit of my tank, so yeah, let's get cracking. Earlier today I I've done the other utility bit and do this little gun piece on it, so I'm going on right this second. There. Also, I mentioned about a group. Yeah, I didn't quite mention when I end my channel what's happening. So basically, when I end my channel, I'm going to be moving over to two channels. Two Facebook communities. One is my mate's and the other is mine. I created mine a little after the previous video. So if you like modern cars from modern vehicles like tanks, planes, trains, cars, trucks, anything basically that has wheels or moves or can carry people, and it's from the 1990s and up, you're more than welcome to join my group. There's some rules, but I've not decided them as of yet, so I'm still planning on everything. There it is. So yeah, hope to get this tank finished at the end of the week. That's my plan, get the tank finished this week. So I've not got much to go now. So yeah, I'll glue them in last. I've just got the little caps to glue. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gluing the hatch on. As you can see, I'm just gluing the hatches on. Actually, you probably can't see. No, you can't. Now you can see. So yeah, there's really not much to this kit. That's about it for this video, near enough. Yeah, that's it for this video basically. I've just got one little thing to glue which